Gradually, Tuna Classic is really getting themselves back. I'm happy to see this. Even though that this month, June, they really benefited a lot. This month, they're kind of favoring Tuna Classic coin. Now, according to Coin Market Cap, Tuna Classic is now among the top 10 trading coin on Coin Market Cap. They're number 8 trading coin at the time of recording this. Now remember, Coin Market Cap always put that list of trading coins. These trading coins are coins people are searching on Coin Market Cap. They have a daily visitors of over 5 to 6 million visitors on a daily basis. Now what these 6 million people are searching mostly is what they normally bring out as their trading coins. Now, as of last year, I was happy because for the period of over 3 to 5 months, the Tuna Classic was among the top 3 trading coins for months, which means a lot of people were actually searching about coin and mostly dominated the first and the third. Okay, and now I'm happy to see that this period, as of now, the time of recording this, LUSC is the 8th trading coins on Coin Market Cap, which means people are searching about Tuna Classic. And when you have huge people, a lot of people searching about a particular coin, there's a possibility for more increase in the trading volume. There's a possibility for more community. There's a possibility for more market cap. There's a possibility for more traders coming in. Okay, so I'm happy that at least people are getting interest on Tuna Classic LUNC. So let's hope to see that before the end of this month, if LUNC definitely will change positively, if Tuna Classic will be affected positively. Now, I also believe that crypto industry in general, definitely this month is going to be a bullish month because we experienced a long bearish month last month. So I hope to see this month becoming a bullish month for Tuna Classic LUNC. Well, remember this on the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and let's hope that this coin maintain the top trading in the coming days and weeks because it will help Tuna Classic to really be at the top. Once again, thank you for stopping by.